might be thinking to yourself, how does one let their house get that dirty? Well, I don't know about you, but life happens, and it certainly happens to me, and somehow very, very quickly. But here's to cleaning it up. Let's get started.
I never needed you to give me things.
So I started with the kitchen because my kitchen just gets so dirty and so nasty, and I like to start with the kitchen just because it kind of gives my house just a little bit of an overall clean feeling to it. I don't know about you, but my kitchen sink just tends to get so piled up. In this video it doesn't really look like it because my dishes really weren't that bad this day, but usually my sink is overflowing. Wow, that living room is a sight to behold, so let's get started on that one.
Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings.
So I had some trash kind of just sitting in my living room, just some boxes that I needed to take out to the dumpster, so I got those out of the way. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do the floors. We got Mr. Chino over here just watching his mama. He gets a little bit nervous around cleaning time. I feel like he thinks it's going to make him move or something. I don't know. Life hack for you. I actually don't have a dustpan right now. Not really sure why, but I don't have one. So I just go ahead and take and pull all my dust into a pile, and then I get a wet or kind of damp paper towel and go ahead and pick that up.
You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you.
I do have this little desk area over here in my apartment. My apartment is pretty small, so there wasn't too much room for that, but I am working on my master's right now, so I really did need kind of a little space for me to be able to sit down and kind of study and do all the things that I need to do for that. Also have my Shakeology right there. I have so much Shakeology in my house right now, and I love it so much. I also have these little boxes in the corner over there. I actually had to get rid of my garage, and those were in there, so I kind of just piled them up in the corner because they really don't have anywhere else to go right now. Wow, if that's not the look of a pup that has just been through a very, very exhausting day, I just don't know what is. What a nice, clean kitchen. I just love a fresh, nice, clean kitchen. I have my wine glasses kind of hanging over here. I've got that wine rack from IKEA. I really love that. Over here I do have my peptides, my proteins, and my pre-workout. Got my Keurig over here. It's a must-have, of course, with my caribou. This just kind of shows you I do have my save the date on the fridge because I am getting married soon. And that little sign up there is actually something my fiance used to propose to me. Got my little desk area right here, and my health coach manual, kind of studying for my health coach exam right now, so taking that soon. I just wanted to thank you guys all for watching, and we will hope to see you in the next one. Bye!